Let's go, boys. Yeah, I caught that. You seen that? You seen that one handball? You seen that?
Don't delete.
Woo! What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And before I start this video, happy Halloween to all those fans out there. And right now we are barbecuing, so don't forget to smash that like button, and don't forget to tell your friends and your family to subscribe to this channel. And see you guys in the next clip. Woo! Alright guys, we're barbecuing. My dad is at work. He told us to get the grill ready, so because today is going to be a busy day. You guys got anything to say to the fans?
Happy Halloween.
Austin?
Wait, copy me.
Look at this. Alright guys, going trick-or-treating?
No sir.
So, we are in the backyard. We just got out of school, and you already know what type of year it is. It's fall. And we're eating barbecue, so it's a right time. I can't wait to eat. And we'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, it's my turn to vlog. And happy Halloween. And me and my brother switched.
That was your fault.
What? So what's up guys, it's your chef Marcin Janovich coming back with another cooking video. And can you please show the food, please. It's so yesterday me and my brother were having a gourmet dish challenge, so today we might do the same. We might do a mukbang too. And don't forget to smash that like button and comment down below, am I better chef than him? And comment down below if you want to see a video who can make the best pizza. Well, I just want you guys to laugh because today it's going to be spooky. It's Halloween. See you guys in the next clip. Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys my costume. Yeah. So I'm gonna be a ninja. Here, I'll show you. Wait. And these are my ninja stars. I got two of them. And this is where I put my ninja stars. So I put them on this part and these. Guys. See you guys later. Peace.
Oh, really?
This is looks.
Put the lid over it. Real.
What are you doing?
What? Wait.
We gotta clean this.
Oh man. I'll close it, close it. Oh, do you know the close?
It's... Alright guys, look at the chickens now, it's so nice. And this guy here has moved up.
Oh, sorry, sorry. My bad. My bad.
As I was trying to say, as I try to say, this guy over here moved. Elston gonna help his mouth was watering. This is so good. So, Dad, if you're watching this, well, you will, because he edits the videos. Edit. We did a nice job. He can. See, look at him. Look at him. Look at his feet.
Is it good?
Let me do my thing. Let me do my thing. Hey, what this?
Go close up to the camera then.
Okay. Okay. So this is what the chicken looks like right here. Look.
Give me! Stop! It's mine! Stop!
Hey, stop.
See, it's getting
It's mine!
It's getting mad because he
no.
likes it. This has been good.
Leave it.
This is what this one looks like.
Yum, 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 yum.
This one. See you guys in a little bit. Okay, guys, we're gonna play football. Yeah,
Go.
what's up, guys?
Go.
Seahawks, if you're finding a wide receiver. Seahawks, are you finding a wide receiver? If you need a wide receiver,
Boo.
Call.
Boo.
down.
Hey, Packers. Ready, set, Ike. Wow! Switch! Boss, come get the camera. Elston catch way better than you. Wow, what'd I say?
Because you leaded me. He just stand there. Where's Dad?
Did I see that?
Yes. Hi, Dad.
Hi. What up? You guys vlogging?
Yeah.
How come you're not vlogging with the thing?
What?
The tripod?
Tripod, get the tripod.
He just came back from work. You?
I'm gonna eat some barbecue. I'm gonna test these guys and see if they're really good in barbecuing.
I did nothing.
So,
I did nothing. I did nothing.
let's see.
And then we just started one.
Let's see if knows how to. Oh, okay. Good.
Thanks.
All right. So guys, welcome back to another video. Looks like Marcin is doing really good in barbecuing. So for me to find out if he's good in cooking, I'm gonna have to taste it. So I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm gonna go get some rice. Ciao.
Okay. Here is the checkout for the barbecue. Look at these.
Not just sneak up on me like that.
Eh? What you say, Louis? This is the update about the chickens. Let's see how much are in here. Jeez.
I see you, Austin.
Hey, I found him! Ah, Jack! Chase me then, Ninja. It's a monster! Hey, fight me! But You know they. Hey kid, chill. It's not Halloween day. It's Christmas. Why are you wearing a costume? Ow, my toes. Ek? Oh. Austin.
It's a football. Oh, that was the camera.
Ow!
What's wrong? Wait, let me. Experience how Chuukese beat up people. Come back here, Timmy. Come back here. Well, you're gonna do a football thing again? See you guys in the next clip.
He's gonna turn off the.
I don't care about you.
Come on.
You're ugly.
He's an ass.
Uh-oh.
Why?
Come on. So
So how do you unscrew it?
yeah, make sure it's
No,
turned
the green,
off.
just the green.
Yeah, unscrew the green. Yeah, right there.
Left.
Okay, so once that thing is loose, you can. Yep.
Oh, weak boy.
I want to see you carry this, Austin.
Man, look at the backyard. It's so yucky. Let us know, guys, in the comments below what your backyard looks like, because our backyard is looking ugly. Okay, put that away, please. Put that on the side.
Where?
Put
Just-
the
yeah.
benches back. Why did you take it out?
Because those are.
No, set them down. Set 'em. Okay. Now you go ahead and put the propane. Just put them on the side, okay? In the meantime, we have a ninja with us here,
Dude,
Elston.
that scares me. I thought that's fire. But
Okay. Ah, karachochorakeata. I'm so proud of you guys. I wish I could help you guys, but my allergy is really bad today, so I'm just gonna rest up a little bit while you guys do all the cooking. Right? Pipi Pietra Turti. Hey, get down. Marcel, get down. So how's your trip today, Elston?
good.
Huh?
Good.
Did mommy enjoy going with you on your trip?
Yeah.
Liar.
Marcel, sit down. Sit down.
Stupid.
Look, can you open that container? Let's see if you didn't burn any of them. Open it. Let's see. Marcel, open. Open. Let's see.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see if you didn't
the raw
burn.
food.
Well. Let's see.
When Marston wants to help, that's what he does. This one.
Which one?
Oh!
The
That's a
burn
little
one.
burn,
That's
but
a
it's
burn
okay.
one. That's Mars.
Still
That's
looking
me.
good.
Boy, that's the one that all this crazy was from. He burned too.
Not even. Liar.
Wait, where's the other one?
Liar.
I just exposed him on YouTube, bro.
Lie.
So just a little story about this,
Take
guys.
your L, boy.
So when it comes to working, only these two are really, really, really good. They work really hard. Marcel, he knows how to work, but he doesn't take the initiative to just start on his own.
Can you
He'll wait for
elaborate that, please?
somebody to tell him, do this, do that. Well, these guys are.
I did it. Austin didn't. It was out inside looking for the stuff
I hope.
and eating. He got mad on the
Yeah, that's
Things you have to deal with every
He's mad
day.
that I was eating his chicken.
Where's the football?
Okay.
Where's the football?
Watch this, guys. Come here. Come here. Come here. I was like this, but I changed it.
Barbecue. Hey, check me out, but it's at the cake. I'm gonna chochora. Get ribbon. Elston and Marcel. Hokura chochora. Kaya ka need to barbecue. If you need anybody to help you barbecue your chicken,
Call me and Mars. Hey,
you can
forget the Elston.
come
Elston can go.
get Mars and Elston because they work really hard. Unlike this one,
I work hard. I did the first half, and then
see?
he sees that, and he's like, "Oh, I'm gonna work now."
Yeah, that's what you're so good at. You work really hard and just keep your mouth running all the time, and yeah, see?
Yeah.
Look at you. What are you doing? You're just like standing right there while these guys are doing the barbecue.
Yeah.
Kupo ka ready, sir? Huh?
I did. I helped Mars, and then also.
See, your mouth is still going.
Oh,
Huh? What's that? Marasa ready, sir?
I'll do it after.
Yeah.
Because Austin took my tongue.
This is mine. I got it.
See you guys maybe later on tonight. Why do you keep blocking my view, man?
Sorry.
Yeah. 'cause
Alright, we'll
everyone
probably
wants to
see you guys in a little bit
butt.
later on tonight, okay?
Yes, see you guys in a little bit.
Yeah. You guys went trick or treating?
Yeah. It's really tiring.
What?
Why? Every time I'm trying to lose weight, they give me the biggest chicken in the world. Never gonna melt them.
Okay, here's the Chuukese mukbang. Who's drinking soda? Huh?
Me!
No.
I'm playing. What's up, guys? It's your boy, Churchy Boy, back at it again with another video. And it's your, today it's Halloween and we're just eating barbecue chicken.
Black pepper? Nice.
It's Chuukese and Victoria, shout out to you.
You watch them?
Yeah, they're the best YouTubers after us.
There's more barbecue chicken in there.
Dude, that looks cool.
That's the Chuukese mukbang. Ooh, she's doing good.
Sit right here. Are you done?
Show his face. Show Ross's face. Let's see. Oh, get a little close up right there. Wow.
Back in my arms. Aww, Churchy Boy can have space.
Ang kope.
Ross, baby wants this. Nice, Patty.
Pwede mama.
Are you going to the game tomorrow? Yeah.
What time?
8 o'clock.
Hey, Justin here.
Hey, let's see your face.
Yo,
What?
sumpah mo
That's it?
video sa barbecue.
Whoa. So what are you? Huh? Let's see your face. Man. Man, look at your face. Did you get enough candy?
Yeah.
I like your shirt. There's hot dog over there.
Oh.
Partner, gusto mo?
You don't have it?
Not good. Yeah? Daddy said me.
You're Chuukese. You're Chuukese? Up off.
Hey, Friday, meron na po ako.
Meter kera? Meter kera? Meter? Apa fit? What? Why? What?
I'm ready.
Yeah.
Oh man, so mad at myself.
Do you have to always have rice when you're eating?
Bro,
Huh?
No, when I eat cereal,
you know?
I have milk. It says hello at the beginning.
Yeah, me too.
What's your profile picture?
Give me something. I think it's a football.
Mine is
That is cool.
You guys talk to the camera because you guys are doing the mukbang. Or mukbang. Mukbang.
I need water.
Yeah, you're like, yeah, so Marl, Elston's gonna stay here.
You guys can do the oozle thing. Oozles. They use those are flying.
This guy,
They use those
he's,
are flying.
likes the hot dog. Ooh.
I need more rice.
How's your barbecue? Martian barbecue. So how's your huh? And Elston too.
And me.
No, don't listen to him.
I did at the end when you're sleeping.
Oh yeah?
I flipped the chicken with my bare hands. How brave is that? I'm Neil Armstrong. First man to use his hands to go on the moon.
What, you want to drink water?
I need water.
Right there, right here.
What is this?
A little bit of, just drink.
I almost saved myself and I'm
Soda?
on a small chair. Man.
Oh, good boy.
I want soda.
No, you have enough soda in your body.
But it just looks good at this moment with barbecue chicken and hot dog and rice and all this sugar.
How's your coffee, boy? Huh? You already done?
I just love this. Excuse me. Here.
I'm hurt.
Why?
Why you have the merch, but I don't have merch? Huh?
I don't know.
Huh? Did you have a good trick-or-treating?
I didn't get candy.
What? Look at the camera.
I didn't get candy.
So what are you? What do you have on your face?
He's
Huh?
a fan.
Paint. I said pants.
Okay, let's see if we can ask some questions. Where are you from?
From Seattle.
Are you from Seattle?
Yeah.
So why you dressed like you're from Chuk?
Because my father is.
Was that your mom?
Oh,
Yeah.
your father?
Yeah, my father.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
Okay, you guys eat. Celine,
I know something.
Celine, look at the camera.
Yes.
Do you have merch like hers?
Yes.
Huh? You do?
Yes.
Oh,
I was the first one.
you were the first one?
Yes.
Shout out to your wish.
Oh.
Hey, don't expose us. Wait.
Don't expose us.
Wait, what did you say?
I said don't expose us.
And shout out to the other people because she get, hey, don't expose us.
Hi, Janice.
Hi, Janice.
I miss you.
Hi, Janice.
Where's Denise?
Say hi to camera.
Where's Janice? Bye, dreams.
Okay, bye-bye, Janice. Bye-bye.
Hi, Janice.
Look at the camera, everybody. Okay, you and Rasha, close it.
All right, guys. Today is, okay. All right, guys. This is the end of the video. I hope you like and subscribe, and happy Halloween. And see you guys in the next video.
Rasha, do you have anything to say?
Yeah.
Wakanda.
Wakanda for life.
Say it, man. Huh?
Wakanda.
Shelly, do you have anything?
No.
What about you, Carson?
Filma.
Huh? Thelma? Yeah? And you?
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Okay.
Come on, give me the